What's going on, ERAFit fam? Today we're going to be talking about how to measure body fat effectively. This is super important because you need to understand how your body is progressing over the course of your transformation process in terms of how to change your diet and nutrition as you progress towards your specific goal. So let's start from the beginning. So when it comes to checking body fat, there are really three different types that you can do. You can do extremely effective, pretty awesome and effective, and then moderately effective, okay? And those three things would be starting off with the most effective is Dexascans and hydrostatic weighing. So actually taking like an MRI of your body or dunking you in the tank that you've probably seen before. The problem with this is that it's not very pragmatic, right? So for all of you at home that are listening to this that don't have access to a Dexascan or hydrostatic weighing or a trainer that can take your caliper test, a bioelectrical impedance calculator is the way to go. So the ones you can get is a simple Omron. There are the InBody calculators that you stand on and then you hold out in front of you as well. Those can tend to be a little bit more accurate as well. And this is something that most people struggle with overall is they don't actually do their body fat in accordance with weighing themselves as well. And this is a very important caveat to watching your progress overall. When you start to resistance train or weight train, your weight can actually maybe go up a little bit as you gain lean mass in the process, and you're actually losing body fat at the same time, but people see the scale as stagnant or not moving, and they get a little bit frustrated with not seeing progress, and then they stop, which is the exact opposite thing that you should be doing, okay? So again, it's very important that you actually test your body fat along with weighing yourself to make sure you understand how your body composition is changing, not just your weight. So another way that you can get your body fat tested is typically done by a trainer or a trained professional is the Caliper Method, okay? We, particularly at ERAFit, use the biosignature method, which is a 12-site method, which is gonna be the most accurate, but one that you can just find online, it's called the Perillo method. It's a 9-site method, and you can simply look that up and find a calculator on multiple websites that can get you that information as well. But then again, you do need a trained professional who knows how to take measurements for those sites. This is gonna be the second most effective way of testing your body fat. All right, so now once you've chosen the type of body fat testing that you are going to use along your transformation process, you need to know the expectations of how much body fat you should be losing and how much lean muscle you should be gaining per month until you get to your end goal. The expectations that we have for our clients over here at ERAFit is 1 to 3% body fat loss per month and 1 to 3 pounds of lean mass gain per month until they get to their end goal. This is super important to understand, right? Because a lot of people during the transformation process get kind of discouraged that their transformation isn't happening as quickly as they want it to, okay? So satisfaction with anything in life is going to be determined by your expectations. So if you are on a training plan and a nutrition plan, those should be the expectations that you see as you test your body fat bi-monthly along the way. What does this mean for you watching at home? Number one, figure out the type of body fat testing that you're gonna do, either the really high level Dexascan, medium level, having a trainer doing the caliper test, or just buy a bioelectrical impedance calculator that you can use at home. Then from there, do your body fat, do your weigh-in, and have some kind of app or tracking system that you can do on the 1st and the 15th of every month. Now, when you do your body fat, when you do your weigh-ins, make sure you're doing it roughly on the same day or at the same time. So maybe it's Monday or Tuesday in the morning, 6 a.m. fasted, all right? Then from there, you need to make sure that you have a set training plan and a nutrition plan. You know exactly what you're doing and you can stay consistent with that over time, all right? Also, if you have some kind of tracking method you can use for macros or an app on your phone that tracks workouts as well, we can do this for you online if you want. But you need to have some kind of tracking system in place. So not only do you do your body fat on the 1st and the 15th, but you also have a way of assessing the progress and how well you've stuck to your plan over the course of the time that you did your body fat check-ins. If you are not testing, you are guessing. I can't tell you how much time and money I have seen people waste over the past decade with fitness programs that don't work or people that are not tracking their progress overall, and they're not getting that feedback they need to make changes to their program, changes to their diet, changes to their nutrition, because they don't have those numbers to look at. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you choose one of the body fat testing methods that I spoke about today to understand how much progress you're making, if it's within that 1 to 3% body fat loss per month and the 1 to 3 pounds of lean muscle gain per month, and then see what you can change about your diet and nutrition to continue progressing towards your goals. So listen, if you are tired of not seeing the results that you want and you want us to take all of the guesswork out of this process for you, simply click the link in the description that says get in touch with us and we would be happy to assist you. I'm Eric from ERAFit, and this has been your weekly Fit PSA.